Here, I'm gonna get this shit done real quick. How about that? Everything's purple around here, huh? Anyways, got this all kind of set up, ready to, you know, do the rebuild, throw it all together. So it's gonna move everything around and get all this done. Do the assemble of this EJ206. In that last video, we adjusted the valves, so I'm gonna be throwing it all together. Torque them down. I can put all that in the description or whatnot, but I kind of am doing it a little differently than I typically would because I'm waiting on a couple parts at the store, and I just kind of want to get a bulk of things done real quick before I gotta get the other things going. So basically what I have done here is I put the heads on, I got the oil. Basically, just torque down the cams and do it all properly. I'll probably do a little run through when I get to that, but I'm basically just going to start plugging away at it. Just kind of get it all ready to go, be able to Well, sorry you guys died on me, but I basically got both the heads back on. I'm going to basically flip it over, and the oil pan. I don't remember if you guys seen it or not, but... So as you see in the video, basically just reassembled it, that EJ20 motor. I'm gonna basically show you what's going in and all that, give you a little run through, but here's it all put together. Obviously need to put the timing covers back on. I had to take them off to do something, obviously in a different spot, kind of move things around, and it's going to be going into this WRX. So that'll be the project on this thing, is basically that motor will be getting thrown in there, and we'll go from there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of the assembly. With that being said, you guys have a great day, and hopefully you subscribe to the page. Enjoy.